In today's video, I am going to be just doing my everyday makeup, and right now my face is a hot mess, but it was that time of the month, so I got a really bad breakout, so we working on it right now. I'm gonna be back soon, but as of right now, yeah, I have just like blackheads all over the place, and it's just like terrible. But usually whenever I break out, like it goes away within like a week. So I'm not really that worried about it. I have a pretty good skincare routine. So yeah, we're gonna just get started. So to start off, I'm going to clean my face with this right here. And this is some like cleansing water. Hydrates and restores your skin. It has coconut extract in it. And I don't know how to pronounce this. Micellar? I don't know. Micellar water to remove makeup, cleanse, and moisturize all in one without rinsing. So you can literally just put this all over your face, and you don't have to rinse it off or anything. And literally, like, whenever I use this on my skin, it just glows and it feels really moisturized, and it's just like, I can tell that it does clean my skin. So yeah, and it doesn't have any parabens in it. It doesn't have any silicones in it or anything like that. So you should definitely get you some of this. I got mine at Walmart, and it was actually on sale. Like, it went from $8.97 to $4.50. So I felt like that was a steal right there. And it's also 95% natural. So it's made with natural ingredients. Also, like, it smells really freaking good. Like, it smells literally like coconut water. So yeah. And it has this really cool like top, and it just like, you twist it to, wait, is this locked? Okay, it's locked so it won't spill out. And then you just like twist it to open it. And then I just use cotton balls. So here's my cotton ball, and I just put the cotton ball up here and I just pump it like twice. And usually that's enough to like clean your face. And I just like wipe my whole face off. And just make sure all the dirt and whatnot comes off my skin. And I usually actually just use 2 cotton balls, and that's usually just enough for me. If you want to use more, that's fine. If you want to use less, it is up to you. But me, I just use like 2, and that's usually enough for me. You know, I got a big forehead, so I need a whole cotton ball just for my forehead alone. Before I apply any foundation to my face, I always start with my eyebrows because, okay, I used to do my foundation and then like fill in my brows, but then I realized that you don't want to try to do your brows when you have foundation in your eyebrows. It's not cute, like, it's just not. So I always do my brows first and then foundation. So first I'm gonna take my spoolie. I think that's what this is. Y'all, I don't know these makeup terms. Alright, I'll just be doing what I do. If you know what it's called, then whatever. If not, whatever. But this little brush looking thing, I'm gonna take that, and I'm just gonna brush my eyebrows in the direction that I want them to go, which is, me personally, I do mine's going up. But I mean, I don't know, guys. Do what you do. Then I'm gonna take my black pencil and I'm gonna just fill them in. It kind of helps to already have your brows in the shape that you want them to be in, but I mean, I've seen people fill in full eyebrows and they're fine, but for me, like, I kind of have to have my natural brow already like in the shape that I want, if that makes sense. So I just start at the top. Oh no, I need to get a mirror. Hold up. All right, I'm back. Had to grab me a mirror because I'm not about to try to do this in the camera because it's just not good enough for me. Oh, this is probably gonna fall. Crap. How am I gonna do this? I should have thought this out better. Next, I'm going to be taking this right here, and it is by, I think it's Rimmel. Hopefully I'm pronouncing this stuff right. Rimmel London. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. Nope, okay. And it's supposed to be a lasting finish for 25 hours, and it's supposed to be breathable. But basically this is a lightweight, medium coverage concealer in the color medium dark. I don't know if that's even the right color for me. I just use it to clean my brows up. So yeah, well, this is what we gonna use. After I fill in my eyebrows and clean them up, I'm gonna take this eyelash and eyebrow gel, and it's by E.l.f. I also got this at Walmart for the low. So it actually says on here like that you can use this for your eyebrows, and then this side you can use for your eyelashes, but I don't use eyelash gel. Like, I just put my mascara on. So I just use it on my brows. And basically what this does is help your your hair to stay in place and not like be all over the place. And like I said, I like to brush the hairs up. And you don't want to like apply too much because it does get like you don't want to like wet your makeup up. I don't know what I just said. You don't want to like just use what you need to use. For my foundation, I'm going to be using this 24-hour full coverage weightless feel foundation, and it's by L'Oreal Paris. This is the color Cream Cafe. It was the only color that like looked close to my skin tone, so it works for me. And yeah, I have other foundations. Like I have really high-end foundations, and then I have my drugstore foundations. This is my favorite drugstore foundation. And like I said, it's full coverage. I wear it like every single day, and it's really nice. I apply this with my fingers because like I just like to apply foundation with my hands, guys. Like I don't know, I've used brushes, I've used sponges, I've used like all kinds of different things, and I feel like nothing works better than my hands. So that's what I do, and it feels so good like when you put it on. So you can already see the you can already see the difference in my face when I put this on. I'm going to take this eyeshadow by BITZY, and I got it at Sally's, and it's in the color gold. It's like a really pretty gold color. I mean, y'all can't really see it, but yeah. So what I do with this is I just take a brush and I highlight the inner corners of my eyes, brushing it like a little bit, and I just kind of apply this to my eyes like so. This is my favorite part. Last but not least, I always go in with my highlighter, and this is by Profusion Champagne is usually like my go-to highlighter. So I'ma just, this is so exciting, guys. So I'ma just dab my finger in it like that. And I'ma just apply it to my nose. Like this, and then I kind of like go up just a tiny bit. Look at that. Once I am finished with my entire face, I use this Prime and Set spray, and it's from Victoria's Secret, and I just spray it on my face, and then we good to go. And it just gives you like this nice glow. I mean, when it comes out, it's a little wet, of course, but when it dries, it gives your face just this nice, like, glowy, dewy finish. So that's why I really, really like this setting spray. So yeah, that is it. And I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.